Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll cook for you creamy pumpkin soup. First you need to grind pumpkin and other vegetables. Prepare food for the soup. Peel the pumpkin and cut it into large pieces. Cut the potatoes into pieces. Grate the carrots on a coarse grater. Also, chop the onion, chop the garlic with a knife. All ingredients are ready for the next step. Pour vegetables oil into the pan and heat well. Put the onion and fry it well. Then add the carrots. Add the garlic. Fry the vegetables for another 5 minutes until they become soft. Fry the pumpkin for 5 or 10 minutes so that it softens. At this time, start boiling the fried potatoes and add the pumpkin later. Cook the vegetables until the potatoes are tender. Usually it takes about 30 or 40 minutes. You don't need to cover with a lid, the water should evaporate. After boiling, drain off excess water and puree the soup. Add salt and spices. Pour half a glass of cream. Stir the pumpkin soup thoroughly and bring it to a boil. Cook for another 5 minutes, then cover with a lid and let it brew a little. Serve the pumpkin puree soup hot and add garlic croutons. Thank you for watching till the end. Please write your opinion in the comment and subscribe to learn more creative recipes.